National Quds Day like their counterparts across the globe, while peacefully carrying out a procession in Banix area of Wuse 2, Abuja. In their thousands, they unexpectedly and surprisingly came across a group of armed soldiers who, without provocation, started firing live ammunition at our clients. In the course of this inhuman, callous, cruel, barbaric, and most horrific attack on our clients, about 26 persons lost their lives. Over 30 persons sustained various degrees of life-threatening injuries. About 274 persons were arrested by the soldiers. Our clients were later handed over to the Nigerian police force, who took them to the now defunct infamous house in Abattoir, Garki, Abuja, where they were detained under very harsh and dehumanizing conditions. Even in their debilitating and terrible condition, they were coerced into writing and signing statements at the police cell in the absence of their lawyer, contrary to the provisions of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015. Among persons arrested and detained were over 60 minors who have been kept in the same cell with persons suspected to have been involved in heinous crimes contrary to all norms, values, provisions of AJA 2015 and Child Rights Act. More worrisome is the fact that despite several appeals, the police is yet to release corpses of persons who were brutally killed by the soldiers. The corpses are now deposited in secret hospitals, which is against Islamic rights that provides for prompt and immediate burial of deceased persons. This, we must say, is strange, knowing the fact that dead bodies cannot be investigated or tried. The public will recall that this is one of the countless attacks on our clients, which is gradually becoming the norm among the security agencies in Nigeria. It is pertinent to note that on all occasions when our clients carried out their processions in Abuja, on the third day when our clients carried out their procession in Abuja, or any other part of this country without involvement of security agencies, it has always been peaceful. Even on the 28th day of March 2025, when our clients were killed in Abuja by the soldiers, processions were carried out across the country peacefully. The world must know that our clients in Nigeria have been under attack for the past 11 years. It suffices to submit that there is a grand plan by the Nigerian government to permanently deprive our clients of their rights to freedom of worship, association, expression, which are all guaranteed under the Nigerian Constitution and International Charter on Human and People's Rights. That's our position for now. Thank you.